Hey y'all, this is Morgan. Welcome to my channel. This is Makeup with Morgan Shea, and today I'll be doing a really pretty smoky maroon eye. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, I'm first going to take my Baby Skin Primer by Maybelline, and I'm going to put this on my nose area. My nose area tends to get pretty oily, so this helps my makeup stay on. Alright, my next step, I'm going to take my Tarte Amazonian Clay Foundation, and I'm not sure, Fair Beige is my shade, and I'm going to take this and dot it all over my face and then blend it in. Alright, now that I have my foundation on, I'm going to take my concealer by Tarte. This is the Shape Tape and I'm in Fair. And I'm going to put this under my eyes, on my nose, on my chin, and then my forehead. And now all I have to do is blend. For this, you don't want to swipe, you want to bounce your beauty blender. And this is basically used just to highlight your face. Alright, now that I have my concealer and foundation on, I'm going to take my Bare Skin Sheer Sun Contour by Bare Minerals, and I'm going to put this on my cheekbones and then on my forehead. And this is liquid, so it's really easy to work with, and I'm just going to put some on the back of my hand. And I'm going to take my beauty blender and I'm just going to put it on my cheekbones. Alright, now that I have my contour on, I like to take powder to set it, and then I'm going to take translucent powder to set my whole face. Right now I'm using the Smashbox, this like little sample thing that I got at Sephora, and I'm going to take the lightest shade, and I'm going to just set the liquid that I put on my face. I'm taking this rounded Real Techniques brush, and I'm just going to take some powder, tap off the excess, and then just go on top of the powder. Alright, now that I set it with powder, I'm going to set my whole face, and I'm going to use my Translucent by Coty. This stuff is really good because it's lightweight and it doesn't have flashback. So yeah, now I'm just going to take my big fluffy brush and I'm going to set my whole face. By setting your whole face, this allows your makeup to last longer. And it gives it a solid base. For me, I get really bad smile lines, so I like to bake them. However, my under eyes, I don't bake them because it gets really dry and it doesn't look cute. So I just bake my smile lines. Also like to bake my nose area just because of how oily it gets, and so my makeup lasts even longer. Then I let this sit for 5 to 10 minutes, and then I move on to my eyebrows. Alright, now while I'm letting that bake, I'm going to take my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Taupe, and I'm going to use this on my eyebrows. I absolutely love this pomade. It helps my eyebrows get shape and it lasts a long time. Alright, now for my brows, I like to carve them out so they're extra sharp. And I'm going to take this Tarte Maracuja Creaseless Concealer, and I'm just going to highlight them using it. And I'm going to use this flat tapered brush to do my brows. here's the difference between brows. And now I'm just going to set the concealer using a small little fluffy brush. I'm just going to take my translucent powder and go over it. Now I'm just going to quickly do my other brow and then I'll do my eye makeup. Alright, and now I'm just going to take my concealer again and I'm going to carve out this brow. Alright, now I have my eyebrows done and I'm just going to wipe off my big that I have going. Alright, now I'm going to start doing my eyes. I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette and I'm taking the lightest color Tempera and I'm going to put it all over my lid. This will help set the concealer and give you a good base to blend shadows. Alright, now that I have Tempera on my lids, I'm going to take Bon Fresco and I'm going to put this in my crease. And you need to blend, blend, blend. And you can leave a little bit white in the center. We're going to put some glitter there. So just keep on blending. Alright, it should look like this so far. Now we're going to take Love Letter and Venetian Red and we're going to lightly build up the color. And don't put it in the center, kind of put it around in the inner corner in the outer V. So far it should look like this, really pretty blended out. Alright, now I'm going to take some tape shape concealer and I'm going to put it in the center of my eyes. This will give a good base for like the glittery aspect of the look and it will help with the halo I'm going to create. And I'm just going to dot it on with my finger. Alright, now it looks like this. This is with the concealer on. And I'm going to take some glitter. Not glitter, it's more of like shimmer. I'm going to take it from my Modern Renaissance palette and I'm just going to put it on top of that. And I'm going to take the color Vermeer and put it on top. And this is what it looks like when it has Vermeer on it. It's really pretty. Now I'm just going to smoke out the bottom lash line using Love Letter, Venetian Red, and Vermeer in the inner corner, and that would be the eye look. Alright, this is what it looks like. I have my bottom smoked out. I just need to put on eyelashes. Alright, now I'm going to take blush. And you want to blend it in with your contour. Alright, now that I have my blush, I'm going to take my highlighting palette, and this is the Smashbox one. And I'm going to take this light color and then this pink one, and then I'm going to mix them, and I'm going to put them on the high points of my cheek. Alright, now I'm going to take my Tarte Lip Sculptor in the color Quest, and I'm going to put this for lipstick. Alright, here's the final look. This is with everything on, highlight, blush, contour. Thank you so much for watching the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.